What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. And today, we'll be taking a look at a 327 made of some familiar materials in a familiar colorway. If you're new around here, welcome to the channel. More Than Hype is all about bringing you detailed and honest reviews about new releases as well as sneakers from the past. If you're interested in seeing more sneaker related content, you can subscribe to the channel by clicking our logo in the bottom right of the video. Now, let's get right into it, starting with the packaging. Regular gray New Balance box, nothing out of the ordinary here. Taking a look at the size tag, these are of course a lifestyle shoe, which basically means these are meant to be worn casually. Style code here is MS327PF, and these did release in what New Balance is calling their primary pack, referring to the three primary colors. What we have here today is the blue colorway, but these also released in red and yellow. Each pair retails for $120, which is $30 more than other 327s I've copped, but these do have some nicer materials, like an all-leather upper with some nice suede accents. The upgrade is worth it in my opinion. Far as sizing go, I definitely recommend you go true to size. So for example, in other New Balances like the 574 and 997s, I wear a size 8.5. That's what I got here, and I like the fit. I'm surprised actually that these were a men's release, because it felt like all of the good colorways were women's releases so far. So for the women interested in copping a pair of these, the size conversion is 2 full sizes down, so this 8.5 in men's would be a 10.5 in women's. First impressions, these are as nice as I thought they'd be. The materials are on point, soft leather and pig suede, nothing feels cheap, really nicely put together. Let's get both pairs out and take a closer look, starting with the upper. So like I was saying, really nice materials on this upper. Let's start with this white perforated leather underlay. You can really see how plush the leather is here. The natural wrinkles in the leather. Obviously this will be very breathable. Perfect as a spring or summer shoe, which is kind of a bummer that I can't wear them now. But then again, I can't really go anywhere either, so I guess it evens out. Now for these suede overlay pieces, starting with the toe box. It's a really nice and soft material. You get a really deep, vibrant blue color. The official color is Atlantic blue on the suede. And we see that material used here, as well as on the heel. On the medial side, we have this New Balance branding stamped in black. It looks really nice, and in some other 327s, this branding here is just painted on, and this application definitely looks of higher quality than that. Then on the eyelets, you get this really light gray suede, and the quality of this material here is just as good as the blue parts. Finally, our end logo. Now something interesting here, I didn't realize until I got them in hand, the underlay blue that borders the end is actually a smooth leather, not this suede material on the toe and the heel. Both the blue and white leather are of the same quality as this perforated leather underneath. Standard white flat laces. Unfortunately, this pair does not come with a pair of blue laces. Synthetic fabric tongue, and our NB logo up top. And as we see on all 327 so far, the Intelligent Choice and 327 on the back. On the inside, the sock liner is done up in this white fabric. You also get a blue Ortholite insole with that matching blue NB logo on it. Now it's undeniable that these look very similar to the green Casablanca 327s, but they do have some differences. Starting with the midsole, on this pair we have a fully off-white color throughout the whole midsole. On the Casablanca pair, it's a white midsole with this wedge here on the heel accented in a cream color. Our outsole here is done up in black, while the Casablanca had a green outsole matching the green overlays. Some smaller details, the Casablanca had a 327 and NB logo embroidered on the heel. These just keep the heel blank. And the tag on the tongue also included some Casablanca and Idealist branding with the New Balance 327 model number. Here, as you can see, just the NB logo. Overall, I'm really happy with how these Atlantic Blue 327s came out. The materials from the soft leather to the pig suede is all high quality, and the very modest extra $30 is something I'm willing to pay over the crazy resale the Casablanca pair is going for. I think with this primary pack, New Balance is onto something. If they really want to get people excited, I'd love to see a reverse primary pack with these same colorways but with the white changed to black. There's been some questionable 327 releases recently, but I'm glad to see New Balance finishing 2020 strong with this primary pack. It's a sporty look with retro vibes, so I'm still going to call the 327 my favorite new silhouette of the year. Now, let's get on to the on-feet. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sneaker related content, and I'll catch you on the next video.